Hello. I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Radical for What, and I'm the model that is on the cover of Only Friends with Penn. I wanted to say thank you guys for all of the support and being able to work with such an amazing team. Feel free to check out the links in the bio, and I hope that you guys enjoy.
Oh my god. It's bad, bitch. We're gonna be late to 420 Expo. Oh, it's bad. Oh, it's bad.
Disaster film.
Yeah.
At the end of the world, Pat. I didn't know I'd be stuck with you after all.
Me and all this bullshit in the back. Is your car sealed? It's not gonna leak if it keeps raining? Oh yeah?
Ocean.
I don't want to go that way, bitch.
So long as we don't drive underwater.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Look at the f***ing current on that shit, bro. Chris's house. And we're gonna hang out here for a little bit and let this calm down.
There he is. Gonna make some interesting vlog footage. You f***ing slacking off in the job, huh?
I had some stressful moments. Need to unwind.
We're heading out. Alright, so I'm recording this so it's known. Steve, this is all your idea to head out. So I'm just saying, if we even astroplane once, you're downgraded to associate.
Damn, just like that.
Just like that. Me and hydroplane, okay? Hydroplane.
I'll fix it for you 5 minutes later.
God, you. You. We just drove through water, you bitch.
Little puddle.
You are on the ropes right now, okay?
Hanging in.
It's about to be Chris Moses, head of Cheeky Comics.
There you go.
We made it.
Made it. One piece.
We got Mikey selling over here.
Yeah, boy, making that paper, boy.
Yo, bro, what are you doing here, bitch? Yo, should we help him out? No? I feel so bad. Why is he in here?
I don't know. How do you came in on somebody?
Oh my god, what the?
Hey, Steve. What's good? What's good? Got the good stuff. You got the hookup. Ooh, let's see what we got. Nice. Mean hole.
That's it. Yeah, right here. That's it.
Alive, look alive. Nice. Rocco, sweet.
said, what the f is Only Friends? Figure it out. Follow us. Thank you so much for this.
We could type it into my normal computer if you want to get up.
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, no, you could just see the big bad. Oh, I just touched something.
All right, take me over there.
You like the sound, Penny?